In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing sections, pointing to something important, or showing a quick trend, there are 3 fast ways to add a line, and I'll walk you through each one clearly. First, the simplest option is using borders. Select the cells where you want the divider to appear. If you want a line that stretches across the entire sheet, click the row number on the left to select the whole row. Now, click the borders icon in the toolbar, the little square with a grid, and choose bottom border. You'll instantly get a clean, professional divider under your selection. This line is tied to your data, so if you insert rows or move cells, it stays aligned. Need a different look? Open the border color and line style menus next to the borders icon to adjust thickness and color. This method is great for organizing tables, separating sections, and making printed sheets easier to read. Next, if you want a line you can place anywhere, use a drawing. Go to Insert, then Drawing, and create a new drawing. Choose the Line tool, then click and drag to draw your line. Hold Shift to keep it perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle. You can change the thickness, color, and add an arrowhead right in the drawing window. When you click Save and Close, the line appears on your sheet as a movable object. Drag it where you want, resize it, or rotate it. If you need to tweak it later, just double-click to reopen the editor. This option is ideal for callouts, visual guides, or annotations that don't need to stick to specific cells. Keep in mind, since it floats above the grid, it won't automatically move with your data. Finally, if you want a mini trend line inside a single cell, use the sparkline formula. Click the cell where you want the tiny chart and type a formula like sparkline A2 10, replacing that range with your actual data. Instantly, your numbers turn into a sleek in-cell line that updates as your data changes. You can customize it with options for color or style, and you can widen the column or increase row height to make it easier to read. Sparklines are perfect for dashboards, performance tracking, or showing progress without creating a full chart. To recap, use borders for a clean divider that sticks with your data, a drawing for a free-floating line you can position anywhere, and sparkline for a compact dynamic trend line inside a single cell. Try each one and choose the approach that fits your sheet best.